morning, everyone. I'm Gabriel. My major is music production. Before I do my presentation, I have a question for you. The Earth is very important for us, right? Okay. Today, I'm going to introduce advertisement, and it's a kind of public service advertisement. First, I would like to talk about the composition and color of the picture. Then I will share my opinion of this advertisement. Finally, I will interpret the meaning of the ad. Now we can see here is the picture, and it uses the composition of trapezoidal and symmetrical. And this kind of composition conveys a stable and balanced feeling. In addition, it also can make the audience get a kind of oppressive sense. When I first saw this ad, the first thing that attracted my eyes was that there is a big tree in the center of the picture. I think it is very unique because you can see there are two colors. The left one is full of vitality green, and another side is full of deadly gray. I think it is very special, and it's easy to notice. And so I think the tree is the focal point of the picture. And on the other hand, the next thing attracted my eyes was that the Chinese slogan. The left one meaning is drought, and another one meaning is vitality. And the designer uses totally different and opposite hue and color in the same picture. Next, I would like to talk about the background and midground and the foreground. The background includes a blue sky with some white clouds. And the left side, you can see there are some white cranes flying in the sky. But another side, there are nothing. In the middle ground, we can see there is some water. Maybe it's a lake, but I'm not sure what this is. And on the right side, there is a desert. And there are nothing, and there are no plants or animals. It makes me feel hopeless and inanimate. And finally, I want to talk about the wood bridge. And the wood bridge looks like a dividing line. Dividing line, it divides completely different two words. And now I would like to share some ideas of this advertisement with you. And through this picture, we can see that the designer uses many original lines and shapes from nature. For example, the big tree and the white crane flying in the sky, and the water, the desert, and the wood bridge. And everything in the picture is quite the opposite of the other side. You can see the green leaves, and another side is the gray leaves, and the water, and another side is the desert. It's totally different. From this view, I think on the left, everything in the picture symbolizes hope and life. But another side in the picture, everything means death and despair. The designer created a huge contrast in all things. So I think it's very interesting. I also think the wooden bridge is very important for this ad because I think it implies you have to make a choice because you can see the wood looks like a road. The road leads to different places. Which one will you go? And finally, I will talk about the purpose of the ad. At the beginning of the presentation, I have said that this is kind of public service advertisement, and usually this kind of ad is about environmental issues or social problems. So, my personal opinion, the ad is not innovative, but I think the goals of the ad is very clear and definite. From this ad, we can know that we have to protect the environment in our life. So I think it is a successful advertisement. Thank you for listening.